Hi, I'm Natalie from CKRE Group. There's a mortgage trick the big banks absolutely hate because it can save you over $127,000 in interest and help you pay off your mortgage 10 years faster, and you don't need to refinance to do it. If you own a home with a 30-year mortgage, grab your mortgage statement so you can follow along. Look at your monthly payment and find the amount that goes toward principal and interest only. Ignore taxes, insurance, and PMI. Now here's the secret. Take that principal and interest amount and divide it by 6. So if your mortgage payment, just principal and interest, is $1,800 per month, divide that by 6. That gives you $300. Every month, add that extra $300 payment to your mortgage, but this part is crucial. Mark it as principal only when you pay it. If you don't, the bank might apply it the wrong way. Doing this consistently cuts roughly 10 years off a 30-year mortgage and can save around $133,000 in interest on a $300,000 loan, all without refinancing, applying again, or paying any closing costs. Banks don't promote this because they make money when you refinance, not when you pay your mortgage off early for free. And remember, this divide by 6 shortcut works best when interest rates are around 6%. You may adjust slightly if your rate is higher or lower. If you found this helpful and you want more strategies to build wealth and pay off your home faster, make sure to follow and subscribe. And if you're thinking about buying, selling, or optimizing your mortgage, call us at 408-888-3855. The CKRE Group is here to help you make smarter real estate moves.